Yeah, you know what it is, man. It's the PRO, the black son. You already know. Okay. Stars King, what up? Okay, it's a freestyle, man. Let's do this. Yeah, listen. I'm the PRO, some already know I'm about to go blow, but I ain't ready, I ain't sure, cause people fake, acting like they're great. I'm the youngest pro, I'm too real, I'm too great. They call me Fana Wafasa, no soya pieces. Working hard and maybe one day I'll be the richest. Working hard, maybe one day I'll be the greatest. Working hard, maybe one day I'll be the president. I got a girl, she a star, oh yeah, she a blessings. I don't mess with them hoes, I'm a star, I'm a legend. I'm busy working on them goals, yeah, busy working on faking. I'm rapping on these codes, I know one day I'm gon' make it. I'm a real dada, no porn again, I go badwa. Ho screaming go dada, I'm the realest, no other. My bars are ango zaza, overload, na go blagger. Realest, no other, I'm the realest, no other. Young pro, yeah man.